Here's how to nail your skin tones every time in Premiere Pro. Here's our clip. It's a bit over exaggerated, but it's very green and we're looking to correct that. So we're going to jump across into our color panel, and in the basic correction drop down there is a tint slider. Now we could just grab this tint and add some magenta to neutralize the shot, but as you can see there is a lot of magenta introduced in the highlights and she's got weird patterns on her face now. We don't want to do this because that adds a lot of magenta to the entire shot, as you can see from our parade scope here. So we'll double click that to set it back to normal and come down to our color wheels and match. And instead we're just going to adjust the midtones and add magenta there. Now you can see from the parade it's looking a lot more balanced, but again this is still a bit of guesswork. So instead we're going to reset this, isolate her skin and match her skin to the vector scope skin line. So right click and add vector scope. We'll remove the parade for now. Now if you haven't seen a vector scope before, this line here is the skin tone line. No matter what skin tone you are or your subject has, their skin should be on this line. So we're just going to put a mask around our subject's forehead just to capture the skin, just to isolate the skin. Go back to our vector scope and you can see here it's looking very yellow and a bit of green. So we're going to want to adjust that to push that onto our skin tone line. So as you can see here, as we're adding more magenta, that is moving up closer and closer to the line, and we're almost there. Something like that. Cool, so let's have a look. If we take our mask off, there we go, we've balanced her skin tone while keeping those autumny colors behind her. So maybe just try bringing a bit more green to those shadows, just to keep that autumny feeling. Take a look at our parade, and you can see that's a lot more balanced now. And there we go, our skin tones have been corrected. If you like this video, subscribe for more.